Good morning everyone. This is beautiful Sunday morning and we are craving for layered paratha breakfast. So Fiza will make two type of parathas. One pan fried, the other is air fried paratha. Go ahead Fiza, show us how you made these.
For paratha, we will need the dough first. For that we need salt to taste and knead it with the water. Now the dough is ready. Let it rest for 15 minutes. Now I will make portions like this. Now I will start making paratha. First, we will roll the paratha like this. I'm making the parathas with all-purpose flour. You can do the same procedure with the whole wheat flour as well if you want to use the whole wheat. Now I will stretch it like this. I'm adding coconut oil on top of it. You can add butter as well. I will sprinkle some dry flour on it. I will cut it with the spoon like this and start rolling it from one side like this. Stretch and roll. I will make it like this and set it aside for a couple of minutes. Now I will start making my first paratha. Just roll it this much big. I will spray the oil on the paratha and put it in the air fryer like this and spray the oil on the top. Set the temperature to 400 and timer to 10 minutes, 12 minutes. And after 6 minutes I will turn the side. 6 minutes I will turn the side.
And please don't use your hands, only Fiza can do it.
Now I'm opening it after 3 minutes. Paratha is ready. You can see it's crispy.
I prefer air fried paratha actually.
Yes. In the meantime, I will start the second one. Roll it same like I rolled the first one.
So you are making it little different?
Yes, it's a square one.
first one was round and this is square.
Yes. Now, again, I will put some oil on the top of paratha. Again, I sprinkle some dry flour on top of it. Now, I will start rolling it like this. After this, I will again add a little oil on top of it, sprinkle the flour and roll it in the other side.
Interesting. This is art, not cooking.
Now again, set it aside for a couple of minutes to rest. Now I will start making the second one. You have to roll it in two directions like this. Now, I will take this paratha and put it on the
The stove and the pan is preheated, right?
Yes, it's. I will put some oil on the top. And turn the side. I will cook the paratha like this on medium-high heat, not very high. You can see the color. The paratha is almost ready. This side is done. I will wait for the other side to be done. Now you can see the paratha is ready from both sides. I will take it out.
Yeah, it looks nice.
And you can see the layers.
Wow. Yeah, very nice.
Parathas are ready. This one I cook traditionally on the stove top, and this one is air fried with the air fryer.
Thank you, Fiza. Let's enjoy these.